Hello everyone, so I'm back with another video. So today we are going camping at Malibu, where Barbie dolls are made. And it's like it's a 1.5 hour drive from here. So yeah, just wish us luck. That way we'll drive there safely. Hey guys, so it's currently our lunch. And for lunch we are having Chick-fil-A. And we are currently on the highway, as you can see.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're an hour and 43 minutes away. And our ETA estimated time arrival is 1:59. So what did you get, Annie? What did you get?
I got a chicken sandwich, not spicy, because, yeah.
I got a deluxe chicken sandwich, and we also got waffle fries.
Yeah. I also heard that the waffle fries are like very good. But my brother originally put in that up.
Yep. Mom, what did you get? My mom got a
Salad.
market salad. Right, Ma? Dad, what did you get?
Spicy chicken sandwich.
Same thing as me.
So we still got a long drive before we're there.
I'm probably gonna take a nap.
Oh, and I also got some Chick-fil-A sauce to go with it too. Time for trivia. Okay. Question. Who are we camping with? Our friends, our cousins, or Brian and Mia? And you have 10 seconds.
Y'all are slow. Yeah.
We're camping with Brian and Mia. Yay! So,
Where are we camping?
are we camping at?
Guyana Grenade.
Are we camping at Seattle,
Bro.
Austin,
Bro.
or Malibu? The answer is Malibu. Hello, so they're sleeping. So right now we're at Santa Monica. We're at the pier one time. At the Almina, that's where the theme park was.
Theme park.
Yeah, remember there was like a theme park. Like, where is it? I don't see it. Oh,
Oh, I see it.
where is it? I don't see it. Oh, look at the waves.
I see it. I saw it.
Oops. I was taking a nap. We're right now 42 minutes away from Malibu.
41.
Oh, 41. Yeah, me and my brother were just taking a nap since we're sleep.
We spent like 1 hour of the entire trip just taking a nap.
Well, not 1 hour.
Almost.
Look, see? Don't you see it? Some of the water's like green, closer to the shore, but then the other water is like blue. It's like so yeah. travelers really, but they're probably gonna sleep more. Okay. See you. Look at this. We're at the shore. We're at the
I remember it though. I remember it.
We passed by a Victorian house.
Andrea's relatives into the.
Remember? Oh wait, it's not like.
I remember doing that. That was really fun.
I think it's a. Anyways, yeah. These houses are really nice.
Modern house.
I think that's a Victorian house. I don't know.
Now, if you see a house that looks like an Italian house, like an old vintage house, and that's probably like a
These houses are really nice. I want to live in these one day. These are like so nice.
Yeah, I would, but then like
The storms, like
storms,
the tsunamis.
yeah.
The tsunamis, you know? No, like not the, no, not the like, not the tsunamis where like it's a big wave. Big wave. Like the one where there's like a big wave and then like it washes off.
You know, especially like being next to the mountain too.
Yeah,
Like the rock slide and the mudslide.
these are nice houses. All these houses are
Oh, that's a modern house. There's two modern houses right there.
so next to each other.
Yeah. There's another one right there.
Oh, look at that. That looks
You
that.
see that house, Scott?
Yeah, especially the one where it's like,
Like the little random windows. Oh, look, there's another modern house right there. I like that one.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
modern house. No, that's. Oh, that's a 3-story.
Victorian right there.
Oh yeah,
Another one right there. No, that's not Victorian.
South Carolina.
Barefoot Bar. Oh, I've heard of Duke's Malibu.
Malibu Mark. Oh, we're in Malibu, where my brother says that Barbie dolls are made.
Yeah, Barbie dolls are made in Malibu.
Oh, modern. So, oh, modern.
Oh, that house over there is so cool.
Oh, that house is nice. The one.
Victorian right there. Oh, and that was a nice modern. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yes, that's a problem.
That is. You'd see a lot of modern houses on the beach.
Oh, I think that's a modern house. Victorian, This is so nice, guys. thought we've arrived. I think this used to be a campsite.
Sycamore.
Oh, Sycamore Canyon Campgrounds.
Oh, here we are. Here. Right here. Guys, I am so excited to start camping. Point Mugu State Park. Okay, we're setting up the tent. Guys, the wind is so strong, guys. If you were to be here, then you wouldn't even be able to set this up. Look at this.
There's something here.
Oh my god.
There's something here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I need to hold this. Okay guys, so we're here in the tent. We just set it up. And me and my brother, we put the heavy stuff in each corner. And this is our bedding. And we still gotta put a cover. I don't know, this one's in here. So yeah, this is our awesome our tent right here. Okay, so this
Field it?
so this is my friend Mia. She's one of our friends gathering with us. And so